Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need two things right away: an Epic account and a custom matchmaking key from Epic or your event organizer. Once you have the key, launch Fortnite and pick the exact game mode and island you want. Make sure your party is set to open or invite only depending on who joins. Now open the playlist selection, because the next step is to enter the key. Doing that early prevents mode mismatches and saves you from reconfiguring settings later. You go into the playlist and select Custom Options. This is where the key lives. Type the custom matchmaking key exactly, case sensitive, then confirm to lock it in. Once accepted, adjust team sizes, match length, respawn rules, storm behavior, and any island-specific settings so the game behaves how you expect. Make sure to save changes and send invites or share the key with participants. If you change islands, recheck rules, because some islands, when everyone's in, confirm the lobby shows the active custom matchmaking key, and then start the match. You should tell players spawn locations and any special rules before launch. If the match fails to start or players can't join, first re-enter or reset the key, then kick and re-invite one player to test connectivity. If problems persist, relaunch Fortnite and check Epic Game Service status. Sometimes keys fail due to maintenance. That single troubleshooting step solves most common connection and permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.